Now, if you are planning to do Monk's Walk, please be aware it is extremely muddy this time of year now. And look at that, that's all the mud. It is extremely muddy. And I found some spare shoes. And these are like 5 years old almost. And yeah, I found it in the cupboard this morning. I thought, it's a shame my other ones were very nice shoes, but they were getting to a point. And I slipped over not long ago. And yeah, it got a bit muddy all over. So I found the shoes, I've got spare. Good quality as well they are. Waterproof as well, which is great. So my best advice, if you are going to Monk's Walk, get some good shoes, wear a rain jacket, and be responsible as well. So yeah, so I'm going down to the bridge now and go and have a look and see what we've done since I last done an update. And since, well, I was here Friday, but it was nothing exciting. So since the last update of a video, hopefully we'll see something today. Hopefully I can make it to the bridge because it's so muddy. So yeah, so putting some borders up now, so you can't really see half the track now like we did last week. But yeah, they've also wrapped up the supports. I don't know why, just to protect them maybe. I mean, the rest of them don't have that. Well, hello. But yeah, as well, they put more structure, metal structure for the station, for the roof. So it is coming on nicely now. So yeah, so there are people on site today. Because it's such a bad weather, it just depending on weather conditions, they probably do a lot more. But quite clearly, I don't see any active site as much. But there is movement though. That where the machine is, a yellow, kind of a yellow box is there. Further on the left, where those yellow paint sticking up actually. Down further along, that is the splashdown part, which is 2 meters deep. Oh yeah. I think they put a support in yesterday, as you can see there, because that wasn't there last time. So that machine is a concrete machine, which somewhere over there. So, that's maintenance bay, of course. On the side of this maintenance building, I reckon all of that maintenance building colour will be black. I really am sorry, but this is really heavy rain today. And yeah, so I think all that maintenance building, I'm not sure what the colour or how it's going to be for the ride station yet, but definitely think the maintenance building is going to be black. Now I have actually just noticed something I haven't filmed yet, which you're about to see now, but I feel like we've got something that we have not seen yet. Hopefully I can get on camera because there's so many trucks in the way. Just bear with me 1 second and I will show you. Hopefully you caught that. Yeah, that. Sorry about that, but there was a concrete machine's moving. I don't know if that's going to the station because they're working on it now, but it's actually moving. There you go. They've got something. That's what was just all moving. So that's got all the concrete from that tube. We haven't seen this machine for quite a while, but it's about to start now. You can see, yeah, they're putting more concrete in, and I got like a machine, well not a machine, I got a brush to spread it out nice and flat as well. Yeah, quite a busy site in the station there to get it all nicely done. Don't really know how much they got to fill up, but they're definitely pouring a lot of it unexpected though. Oh. So where the people are, that's where the splashdown is. And just like that, it's sunny now. I was on the train back, sleeping away. I was like, what? It's sunny now? Trains were delayed, so I had to wait another half an hour long. So left Monk's Walk 5 to 1. Trains were delayed, so I had to wait quite long today. So I'm now back, which is 5 to 3. It's been such a day. I just want to say it was cold as anything today. Wet morning, windy temperatures, cold. I'm exhausted, literally. It's blew me away how much it's transformed from wet, dark weather to now this weather. I'm literally freezing. I just want to have a wash now to get myself warm. Hopefully you got a useful update. Nothing spectacular yet. But when you get a wet weather like that, they are not doing something big. They want to do something ground levels and concrete and make sure it's all nice and smooth. But eventually, when it's like this, like majority, hopefully soon, majority sunshine, gentle winds, they will probably start doing the supports and track in place. But for now, blimey, what a day. I'm actually out of breath and tired after that. Bit frustrated, but you know, it is what it is. I'm doing what I can do for you all, and that's what I can do for you today. Subscribe to see more if you want to see more. I need to get warm now. See you later.